Number 0 feedback, when you have requested, nice.
03 Quebec, would you like to call a couple minutes ago? We're happy to 03 Quebec with an approach request.
Go ahead.
12-0803 Quebec, would like to request the LDA Charlie into Van Nuys, please, with vectors to Silex.
Number 0 feedback, clear to Van Nuys Airport via flight heading 320, vector to LDA Charlie, final approach course, descend and maintain 4000.
03 Quebec, clear to Van Nuys via fly heading 320, descend maintain 4000.
Number 5 Flow Tango, contact tower 119.3.
119.3, 50 Tango. Bearing 5150 Tango is 13th in the southeast, request full stop with Quebec. Bearing 5150 Tango is 11 to the south. Request full stop with Quebec.
No 515 Tango, number tower, make a straight in turn with 33 right, good to land.
Straight in for 33 right, cleared to land 50 Tango.
Number 4 Papa Whiskey, affirmative, join the coastal Papa 1 Decret. She gave us the wrong tower frequency. We're turning final map. It's a beautiful night in Santa Barbara. Whoops. Nice coastal approach here. Retrieve the Lima radar contact SoCal departure.
Contact SoCal 330 Lima.
933 Victor Lima, local departure, roger.
Alright. Those flaps down.
Number 8 Lima, Sierra Make straight in, runway 2 left, contact tower 126.8. Winnie 153 Mike, Sierra contact Los Angeles Center 128, point, location 126.35.
This only slightly feels like I'm landing on a taxiway.
November 0 feedback, turn right, heading 050. November 0 feedback, 5 miles from Silex, maintain 4000, ideal established on the localizer. Clear LDH heavy approach, circle to runway 3 for right.
And where are we at? Kilo. Cool.
Winnie 153 Mike, Los Angeles Center, roger.
Welcome to Santa Barbara, guys.
Grand 5 Blue Tango, taxi to parking via Bravo this frequency, have a good night.
Taxi via Bravo this frequency. Have a good night. 5 Zulu Tango. Other than my slightly dodgy landing, that was pretty good.
Downwind tower 902 Lima Sierra, about 8 miles,
It's a long
coming
flight
in
for
for runway
me.
20 left.
Sacramento. It's about,
1 minute wait from the Sierra,
800
tower, runway 2 left, good to land.
so about an hour and a half flight.
Peterland 2 left, 902 Lima
Had
Sierra.
a great ground speed though the whole time. I'm not sure if I got stepped on there. We flying a flight from Sacramento